I'm sitting in the van I'm taking on the road for the next 30 days. Monday morning, I'm pulling out of the driveway and heading east for the next month. No clients coming with me, no projects in the back seat, no team calls scheduled, just a long drive, my wife, our 4 kids, 30 days on the open road. And the entire time I'm gone, my agency is going to keep running without me. That's not a flex. That's the whole point of this video. Because if your business can't survive you taking 30 days off, you don't have a business. You just have a job that pays you in stress. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built mine to run without me, and what I'm doing for the next 30 days that you can be a part of starting on Monday. But first, real quick context on why this matters. Most people who start an agency or a service business or any kind of client work end up in the same trap. They build something that depends entirely on them being there. They answer the calls, they send the follow-ups, they handle the onboarding, they show up to every single meeting, they reply to every single email, they run every campaign, and it works for a while. The money comes in, clients are happy, and things look great from the outside. At least until they want to take a vacation, or they get sick, or they want to actually spend a weekend with their family without checking their phone every 15 minutes. That's when they realize the truth. They didn't build a business. They built a really expensive prison cell with Wi-Fi. I spent years in that prison. I was the bottleneck. Every lead came through me. Every decision needed my approval. Every problem ended up on my desk. And I told myself the same lie that most agency owners tell themselves, that I'd fix it later. As soon as things slowed down, I'd build the systems, that after this next campaign, this next client, this next quarter, I'd finally have the bandwidth to step back. But that day never comes, at least not on its own. So here's what changed it for me. A few years ago, I had a trip planned. It was booked, paid for, calendar blocked off, but about a week before I was supposed to leave, a client emergency came up. Not a real emergency, of course, the kind of fake emergency that feels real when you're the only one who can solve it. So, I canceled the trip. And my wife asked me a question that I still think about. She said, if you can never actually take any time off for life, what's the point of any of this? I didn't have a good answer. So I sat down and I made a list of every single thing in my business that required me personally. Every email that I had to write, every call that I had to take, every decision that wouldn't get made without me. And I'm not gonna lie, that list was freaking huge, like pages long. So I started working through it one item at a time. Some things I delegated, some things I systemized, some things I automated, some things I just stopped doing because it turned out that they didn't actually need to be done in the first place. There was a lot of those. And the further I got down that list, the more that I realized something obvious. The agency that I'd been running wasn't actually a business model. It was just a series of fires that I was running around trying to put out. So I rebuilt it from the ground up around 2 simple ideas. Idea 1, pick one service that businesses already need. Not 3 services, not 7, just one simple service. Because when you try to sell everything to everyone, you end up with messy positioning and complicated pricing and a fulfillment process that breaks every time a new client comes in. But when you sell one specific service to one specific type of business, everything gets simpler. The marketing gets simpler, the sales conversations get simpler, the delivery gets simpler, and once it's simple, you can build systems around it that don't need you watching them every single minute. The 2 services that I work with most right now, the ones I'm going to focus on for the next 30 days, are review automation and AI receptionists. Review automation is exactly what it sounds like. You help local businesses collect more 5-star reviews on autopilot. Those businesses each pay you a few $100s a month, you set up the system, and then it just keeps running. They get more visibility, and you get recurring revenue. AI Receptionist is the upgrade. Most local businesses miss around 60% of their incoming phone calls. Those missed calls are leads that they paid to generate, and they're losing them simply because nobody's answering the phone. Well, an AI receptionist catches those calls, answers questions, books appointments, and pushes everything into the calendar without anyone having to pick up the phone. This service is still relatively new, but by the end of the year, it's going to become the standard. Both services are simple to sell because the value is obvious, and both are easy to deliver because the technology and the software does most of the work. And both create recurring monthly revenue, which is the only kind that actually compounds over time. Okay, idea 2. Build the system before you need it. Most people wait until they have too many clients to think about systems, but by then, it's too late. They're drowning, they're behind, they're working late nights and weekends, and the last thing that they have time to do is actually step back and design something better. This is why the right time to build the system is before the clients show up. Set up the funnel, set up the following, set up the booking calendar, set up the onboarding, set up the delivery, get every piece in place before that first lead ever comes in. Because once leads start coming in, your job shifts from building the business to running it. That's how I got to a place where I could leave for 30 days and trust that everything would still be here when I got back, which brings us perfectly to this month and what's coming up. Starting Monday, I'm running something inside of my private community called the 5-Day Client Sprint. It's designed to help members build exactly this kind of business. Not a polished version, not the scaled 10 years in version, the first version. The one that gets you your first or next paying client and proves to yourself that this whole thing actually works and you can do this. Day 1, you pick your offer and your niche. One service, one type of business, done. Day 2, you set up the automation templates, the funnel, the follow-up. Most of it I'm going to give you all ready to import. Just copy and paste it. Day 3, you start outreach. Real conversations with real businesses. And don't worry, I'm going to give you exactly what to say. All of the scripts included, no cold calling required. Day 4, you stack the AI receptionist offer on top of your reviews offer, which is how the value of every client doubles overnight. Day 5, you close, onboard, and set up recurring billing for your first client. That's the sprint. And for the next month, I'm going to be checking into the community while I'm on the road, reviewing offers and weighing in on things that people get stuck on. The day-to-day support is run by Dave, who's been with me pretty much forever now and knows this stuff cold. He's in there every single day all the way through. So when you've got a question, you're getting help fast. And when something needs my eyes specifically, I'm going to be there to weigh in. This trip is what's giving me the bandwidth to actually be present this time, instead of just chasing the next thing. So between Dave, the community, and me checking in from the road, this round is going to have more support than anything I've run before. Now, I want to be clear about who this is for and who it's not for. If you've been thinking about starting an agency or a service business, but you keep getting stuck on which service to offer, this is for you. You're going to walk out of day 1 with that decision already made. If you already have an agency, but it's a mess, or it's stalled out somewhere under $10K a month, or you feel like you're constantly busy but never actually moving forward, this is also for you. The simplification here might be the most valuable thing that you do all year. And if you're already running a service business or a coaching practice and you'd rather use this system to grow what you already have rather than building something completely new, Sprint works for that too. Same automations, same follow-up, same client getting machine. We're just going to point this at the business that you already have. So with that said, who is this not for? Well, if you're looking for some magic button or some kind of get-rich-quick promise, it's definitely not for you. This is real work that local businesses are going to pay you real money for real services that they actually need. Nothing more. This sprint is short on purpose, but you still have to actually do the work. The reason this sprint runs through HighLevel is because HighLevel is the software that you're actually going to use to deliver those services and run your agency. It's what I use for mine and what I've used to build 3 different 7-figure agencies. When you start your free 30-day trial using the link in the description below, you're not just getting access to a piece of software. You're getting my entire agency OS already loaded inside of it. The funnels are built, the follow-up automations are built, the review automation system is built, the AI receptionist is configured, the CRM, the booking, the billing, the pipeline, all of it pre-built, ready to go. You're not setting any of this up from scratch. I already did that part. I'm basically handing you an agency in a box. The sprint is the path, HighLevel is the toolkit, and Agency OS is what makes the toolkit usable on day 1 instead of month 6. The trial is free, the sprint is free, access to me, Dave, and the community is free. The only thing that you're committing to is showing up and doing the work. Now, let's get real for a second. A lot of people are going to watch this video and then tell themselves that they'll do it next time, or when things slow down, or when they have more time. Well, I just spent the first half of this video explaining why I spent years thinking exactly like that, and why it never actually leads anywhere. The fact is, these next 30 days won't happen twice. This specific window, with the sprint running live and the community fully active, is not something that I'm planning to do in the same way ever again. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for permission, or the right moment, or for some version of yourself that has it all figured out before you start, this is the closest thing that you're going to get to a starting line. Link is in the description. Sprint kicks off Monday. Between Dave and the community every day and me checking in from the road thanks to satellite internet, you're going to have everything that you need to succeed. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. And if you want one more thing to think about between now and Monday, I made a video that I'll make sure to be linked up right here that pairs really well with everything we just talked about. It's going to break down the 3 things that every potential client needs to understand before they'll hire you. And it's the foundation that the entire sprint is built on. So feel free to tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.